Hi everyone, today I brought to you these resin sets from the brand Wycoon. They are nice, they are like a crystal clear, the A and B, okay? They are bubble free and self-leveling. They're really good, non-flammable, they resist yellowing, and they have 40-minute work time. Each bottle has 17 ounces, so they have enough for you to do like coasters and small things like that. Let's give it a try and do some small coasters with a little flower. What comes in the box is the manual. It also comes with these little woods. It comes with gloves as well. It also comes with 4 cups. So we need to measure, and each cup has measuring. So this one will save you a lot of time putting in 2 different cups, then mixing them. You can like right away do that in 1 cup. Let's put A. So it also comes with these. It had these regular covers, but it comes with these, so I removed it and replaced it. You can open them like that, and I'm going to use like the 20 only. I'm going to put 20 from A and 20 from B. It's really important that we put equal amount of A and B for it to work. I'm going to put B now. B is the hardener. Now we're gonna grab the wooden stick and we're gonna mix for about 5 to 6 minutes, and I'm gonna come back after I'm done mixing. After mixing for 5 complete minutes, I started pouring inside the mold, and I have this round coaster mold. You put first like the transparent, and then you start designing with colors. I have a special color, so I mixed it with the clear one, and I'm doing a little flower here. It takes 24 hours to cure completely and harden, so make sure you give it that time before you remove it from the mold and start using it. Now that it has cured, let's see. Wow, look at this. Wow, beautiful. This set is amazing. Thank you for watching.